गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स आज की ये जो वीडियो है ये हम बात करने वाले हैं DJI गिम्बल जो हमने अपनी जर्नी में भी ऐड किया है। उसका पार्ट 2 आज हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं जिसमें मैंने कुछ न्यू मोड्स और कुछ नए फीचर्स एक्सप्लोर किए हैं एंड दे वर ट्रूली अमेजिंग। आई मस्ट शेयर इट विद यू, सो लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन। स्टे ट्यून्ड। Okay friends, so we're going to talk about our first mode which is pano mode. Pano mode हमारा आता है फोटो के बाद like this. Well, pano mode has 3 features. First we are going to talk about clone me. Let's see that. This is the first clone me. Let's see how it works. So for pano mode we just press red button and see what it does. Okay friends, now let's talk about the second feature. Now the second feature talks about 240 degree angle. Let's see how it does. Let's start that.
So let's just start by pressing the red button.
So it's time to show you the third feature. Let's see. We go to the same option, we click the third one. It says 3x3. We have 3 multiple captures in this. So let's see how it does.
So let's start by clicking the red button.
Well, now let's talk about our third mode, which is after pano, it is story. So in story we have different categories. However, we will talk about the first, which is modern city. Modern city will help us in different looks, in different styles, that how we can capture our object. Let's see that practically. Stay tuned.